Hey YouTube, today I have this DJI wireless mic. We can also do an unboxing. There is also mic 2, but this is mic 1. Let's check real quick. This is the box. It's made for iPhone, as you see here. And it has, there's also one where you can do, there are two microphones, receivers basically. So pull the tab. Manual. Oh, it comes in a case. Very nice. Another safety guidelines. Okay, so this is the case. It already comes in a case. I'm guessing this is the device. Very small. Very nice. And this is, yeah, so this is the microphone. This is the receiver, I'm assuming. Yeah, audio and what else is here? Okay, good. There is a muffler here, and I'm guessing this is the charging cable. This is the audio connector. Oh, and this is the adapter for phones, for USB-C or USB-A, whatever you want to use. I'm guessing this is USB. Yeah, this is USB-C, and this is the lightning connector. All right, so this is the receiver, and this is the mic. It has a magnetic back, so you can put it behind the clothes and stick it on your shirt, or you can just simply use the pin, however you like. It has a wind muffler, so we can just basically put it in here and twist it. That will lock it. Okay. The receiver has an option. I think you can also, there is a hot shoe mount for the camera, so you can connect it. You mount it on the camera, the video camera, I mean the SLR cameras. And so let's hook this up. I'm gonna do the test while we are recording this. Let's hope it has a battery. So power on. There you go. Power on. Language English. Oh no. English. Okay, setting the date. Okay. Next time. Oh, okay. So it's, you just have to scroll it, and it works in a 24-hour format. So right now it's 11, or no, it's 12. 11:56. Next. Hello, hello, hello. So this is where the connector is. So you can use it. You can also replace this with lightning connector and just hook it up directly onto the source. So if you have a computer, put it in a computer. If you have a phone, you can use the phone. So all you have to do is just connect it. This is iPhone 15, so I'm just gonna connect it, and there it is. So it's ready to go. And the microphone is here. So there is a USB-C power button. You can use this for charging as well. This is to link if you have a multiple microphones. And this is to turn on and off recording. So it's very simple design. And this is ready to go. You can also use audio out. The connection, the cable is already included. You can use this for the camera. A lot of cameras you can use the hot shoe mount, and you can use this one. This is the audio out, the headphone jack. This is the receiver part. This is for charging, USB-C, and that's the power button. And that's the screen. So it's showing the battery of the microphone and the battery of the receiver. So I'm about to hook this up into the... I will hook it up in the phone. So you guys tell me how you can hear me. So this is just through the phone. Hello? Hello? I'm guessing now you can hear me from the mic. Now I'm speaking directly into the mic. I'm trying to blow the wind, so I hope my voice is very clear. Let me turn on the fan to see how the sound is. Hello, testing 1 2 4 1 2 4. I guess the mic is leaking. 1 2 4. So that is it, guys. I'm gonna put it on my shirt to see if you can hear me well. I guess this is it. This is the video. Thank you for watching.